My assignment was to set up this container factory for producing ISO container of different kind, not only to this container, different kind, establish the product, establish the production line, establish the process flow line, everything. And this is the first phase of our container factory, where the assembly line, jigs and fixtures, those are being set. Maybe that also require a little bit modification in later stage. We have another part of this where we have the machines, tools, everything. We'll have the other part of this part of factory. There will form all these components, whatever you see over there. Our plan is to form all the components here. Process complies from there. We will have an automatic shot blasting machine where we'll shot blast the sheets, and from then we'll have the components. All the components, what we are seeing now black, it will be primer painted. This is a gray. And there we start the component sub-assemblies, assemblies. As you see the line, it is going main assembly. After main assembly, we have the roof auto holding. Then we push the container to the shot blasting process. That is not automatic, but semi-automatic. Circulation of the shots and grids, this is automatic. And holding is done manually. Our plan is to do, once we establish that shot blasting, automatic shot blasting with the priming, our plan is to make 10 containers a shift in 8-hour shift. 42 minutes is the line production time. That way we'll make 10 containers a shift. This is the main thing. We have designed several containers, 20-foot high coupe containers. This is one of the variety of containers. Just now coming in the market. Initially it was 8.5. Now for the volumetric advantage, it's going to 9.5. Recently, we have designed and developed a container. What you see, the yellow one, is a 12 feet high container. This is a volumetric, it is almost 1.5 times in the volume. When you are taking volumetric cargo, just like tire or wooden package, jute, you can take more cargo into this container. This is the advantage of this. We have developed and tested, as well as field trial is also made for a container, for which we have applied for the patent, because this sort of container is not in India. I think nobody has thought of that way. This is only the requirement of FCI. Container which will have multi-exit discharge on the side wall, end wall, even on the door side. If we want, we can do the discharge of the container. We call it non-pressurized bulk container. So that is also there. Key feature is the marketing. Braithwaite has a big marketing structure under umbrella of Indian Railways. You see, railway is expanding. Railway have got the freight corridor thing, and private railways are also coming. Private operators, they are also coming, and growth is very high, very, very high. There will be no end of growth. If we manufacture this container, there are thousands of containers for this 12-feet container. We are pursuing 9.5-feet container, at least 1,000 for this financial year from one of our renowned customer, DP World. We are pursuing this FCI container, which is non-pressurized bulk container. We expect a big order from them also. 10 container, we are expecting a 400 containers order as the earliest. We are planning to do the car carrier, 45-feet container, where we can take in a container, which multi-usable. With the 6 SUV container can be taken inside the container. It's a huge production process, huge production line, enormous. Braithwaite's growth is very good. In 1 year, now it has grown this much. At one point of time when I joined here, I don't think there were so many people knowing containers. Now they can shrink container. They are also thinking, along with me, people are also thinking how the growth can become faster. So it is a better thing. I think Nestled will be one of the number one container manufacturing unit in India. This is our target.